ਭਾਰਤ ਦੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਚੀਫ ਆਫ ਡਿਫੈਂਸ ਜਨਰਲ ਬਿਪਿਨ ਰਾਵਤ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਫੌਜ ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਖਿਲਾਫ ਲੜਾਈ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀ ਸਮਝਦੀ ਹੈ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਸਹਿਜਤਾ ਅਤੇ ਅਨੁਸ਼ਾਸਨ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਚਾਅ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਆਰੋਗਿਆ ਸੇਤੂ ਨਾਲ ਯਕੀਨੀ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਅੱਗੇ ਨਾ ਫੈਲੇ।
This is the time when certain directions have been issued which we have to adhere to if we want to fight the menace of COVID. And I think our nation has done well. We will continue to do well so long as we continue to adhere to the directions and instructions that are issued from time to time. And once again, I would like to say, it is patience and discipline which is help us overcome this major problem. It is not to say that it has not affected the Army or the Air Force. It has affected the Army, Navy and the Air Force in very limited numbers. In the case of the Navy, there was one person who was affected and we found that he was asymptomatic for a long time. And therefore, he kept associating with his other fellow sailors, and that is how gradually it spread. But the moment it was detected, the Navy has been very quick to react and has ensured that the spread does not take place any further. So I think it is because of this quick reaction by the Navy that they've been able to contain the spread of this menace, and they've been able to ensure that along with this one sailor who had been affected, only about 21 of them got affected, and therefore they had about total 21 cases. See, as far as the defense services are concerned, we do understand our responsibility that at this time when the nation is fighting this menace of COVID, the defense services must operate beyond the mandate and come to the support of our people and of our government in whatever way we can. I will be happy to inform you that all our people have now downloaded the Arogya app, and therefore should any one of our people get affected, we will be able to pick that up very soon, and we will be able to ensure that the spread does not happen in a very big way. There is a very major lesson for us in the sense that the way the scientists and other agencies involved in medical research have come up with innovative ideas to produce medical equipment inside in the country, which we were so far importing to help us tide over COVID-19, has been amazing. We have, in a short span of, let us say, just about 4 to 6 weeks, started manufacturing ventilators in our country. PPEs are being manufactured here. A lot of other equipment that is required, masks. We were importing some components of the N95 masks while we were making the masks here. But our DRDO has come out with a different mask, which is M99, which I am told is superior to the N95. So you can see how fast the people have reacted. And I think there's a lesson in this for us in the defense services. We have been importing our weapons, equipment and ammunition from abroad. But I think if we can give this challenge to the industry, to our academia and to our own research and development organizations, I think we can start manufacturing our own ammunition, our own weapons, our own equipment in country.